Hello, how you doing? Welcome back. We're going to make today lentil and carrot curry. This is really, really delicious. Got some lovely flavors in there. One of my favorites, again. Let's get on with it. All right, then let's take a look at what we've got here. So, carrots and lentils. So, I've got roughly equal parts of both here. And I've chopped the carrots, in this fashion. You can cut them anyhow you want. This is red lentil. When you cook it, it actually goes yellow, and I've cooked it. It cooks really quickly, this one as well, it just takes about 5 or 6 minutes. 2 tomatoes, 1 large onion, some fresh chilies. In here, we've got our whole seeds. So we've got a few, maybe half a dozen green cardamom, 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds and 2 of cumin seeds, tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. In here, 2 teaspoons of the following: chili, cumin, coriander, turmeric, and then we've got quite a lot there of cilantro or coriander. We're going to start this off with some oil, obviously add some salt. This is super, super delicious. Okay, so I've got my pan here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. You could do something different if you want. We're going to start off by dropping in the black mustard seeds, the green cardamom pods, and the cumin seeds. And just for a few seconds, let them do their thing in that oil. They'll infuse it and give it a fantastic flavour. Then we're going to go the onion. And the carrots. We're on just above a medium heat. And we're going to start off by going for the next 3 to 4 minutes, stirring often. Okay, so we've given those a nice head start. Next up, we're going to add our garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We use it all the time on the channel. You can buy it in most stores, depending on where you live, or like us, you can make it. We make large batches of it because we use so much. We're now going to add in our cooked dal. Like I say, this red dal, which turns yellow when you cook it, cooks really quickly. Like once it reaches boiling point, it's only like sort of 6 or 7 minutes maybe. Give it a nice wash in some cold water, rinse it out a few times first. We're now going to add salt, fresh chili, our powders. Let's just take a look again, shall we? So we've got 2 teaspoons each. Now if you want, you can just use a curry powder, but I've got here chili, cumin, coriander and turmeric. In that goes. Let's give that a little mix. There's actually a really nice curry powder recipe on the channel. If I remember, I'll try and stick it up at the end, It'll pop up at the end. Next up, we're going to add those tomatoes. Like I say, this is 2 regular sized tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. Some water, not too much. And then stay on this, fairly lively heat. You want to cook this now for about 5 or 6 minutes. What we want is the tomatoes to break down. And if you use the nice ripe tomato, then they will add liquid as they mush themselves down. If not, we're going to add a bit more water. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, That's looking beautiful. Those tomatoes gave off a little bit more liquid. Now, I'm going to add a little bit more. If you wanted, you could put coconut milk in this, but I'm keeping it straight like this. Now we're going to go to a simmer. I want to go for about another 5 minutes or so. That's a nice consistency for me. And then we're pretty much done. Just looking for those carrots to be nice and tender now. Give it a stir every now and then. That is beautiful. Off goes the heat. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more. I'm good. As promised, a very generous amount of cilantro or coriander in here. A little stir, and I'll see you at the table. Beautiful. And there you go, absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.